Peace and love, family. Just real quickly, I just want to show you how to put on your beads when you get them in the mail. I am going to put this one on, show you some of the beads I have on. I've had them on for years. So you just take the knot out like I did just now. And you see how long it is. Like, you have plenty of room. Like, see how you can be any size and wear these, right? So also you see that I have some beads here. Some are low, some are in the middle, and then some are pretty high. So you can put them wherever you want to put them. If you want to put it way up here, you can do that. If you want to have it dropped low, then you can do that as well. So I'm not going to actually put this one on, but I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm going to do it on top of my shirt so you can see. Okay, so say I want to put it here. All we're going to do is slide the beads down on both sides, one at a time, towards the end, and make sure you save enough room so that you can tie a nice knot. Okay, let's see. All right, and now we're gonna do the other side the same way. Like I said, you don't have to put them all the way towards the end, but you want to leave it enough space to where you can tie a good knot. All right, so let's say I'm gonna put it here. So I'll tie a knot, and then I will tie a double knot. Right? Once I tie a double knot, I'll pull it, make sure it's very, very tight. And then you want to burn the excess. When you burn it, it's like the thread turns into like a hard plastic kind of. So you just take the lighter, burn the excess off, and kind of mold it and flatten it out. And you'll do the same thing to the other piece. Once you finish with that, you have this much left on one side and this much left on the other side. So you could use these for bracelets like I do, or you can put them on your ankles. I can show you these, like mine. So yeah, that is how you adorn your waist with your womb beads. Adorn your womb with your waist beads, and vice versa. Some people, I know at one of my vending events, I had this young girl with this tiny waist, and hers wrapped all the way around. So depending on your size, you could wrap it around. But yeah, you can just play with it, see how you like it. They don't come off, obviously, right? If you're burning them, tying a double knot and burning them, they don't come off. These do not stretch. The ones that stretch, to me, they break. They stretch more and more, and then they break easier. These don't break. As I mentioned before, I have a lot of these that I've had on for years. Some of them have broken over time, but I've had them for so long. This one I've had for a long time. This one, this one, this one, and this. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've had these 5 for probably about 5 years, I think. Seems like it could be longer. 4, somewhere near there. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. If you want to order, you go to goddessog.org/shop and search for the womb adornment beads. I might actually steal this one because it's cute with my other beads. I like that. That's very pretty. All right, guys, have a wonderful day / night, whatever time it is where you are, in peace and love.